What's up, everybody? Just finished building this birdhouse. I know I didn't do a how-to build video, but I don't have a camera operator. But anyways, I made this birdhouse out of PVC, and it's a 6-family. And it opens up for cleaning and for checking on life, inhabitants, and birds inside of it. And it's a 2-level, and I think it's really I don't know, unique. It's probably one of the first birdhouses that I made. And so yeah, if you like it, let me know. There were no blueprints. I made it without any directions. So hey, thanks for checking out this short little video. Get out of here, you little leaf. I'm not gonna paint it. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. That's why I made it out of ASIC or PVC board. Anyways, I know the compressor's going in the background, so it's kind of annoying. Sorry in advance. I hope some birdies end up living in it. Have a good day. God bless.